My mother suffered a very serious hand injury when she was cooking. She cut her hand very severely and cut tendons and arteries and nerves. And the surgery wasn't performed as soon as it should have been at the hospital. And when the doctors saw her, they wanted to get a doctor who knew a very specific type of surgery. And the only doctor that was available that I can get an appointment with soon enough was with Dr. Harrison, who was kind enough to see her immediately. And as soon as he saw her and diagnosed her, he had her scheduled for surgery immediately. It was a very lengthy schedule, surgery, very, very lengthy. He was pretty tired after he was done with her. And she went through a lot of therapy, very painful therapy. But the doctor had been deployed for like a few months after her surgery, so he didn't get to see her after the surgery, just the first week after the surgery, and then he was deployed and never saw her again. So just the doctors at the other place where he used to work at would follow up on her, but the best attention we got was from Dr. Harrison when he finally was able to contact him. And he saw her. He was very satisfied with the results because he didn't think that my mother would ever get any movement in her hand. And mami, el brazo así. She has a lot of able to close her hand. He didn't think it was going to happen, and when he saw her, he was very pleased. Even at the therapy place where she went, they were amazed that she was able to go that far. So I'm very, very happy with the results with Dr. Harrison. I think he saved her hand because she was almost lost 2 of her fingers, and he was able to keep them. So, and I've been coming back for other things because and she has a lot of trust in him. So I highly recommend Dr. Richard Harrison for these type of surgeries. Right now he's also working on her left shoulder and her left hand. She's got arthritis and a lot of other issues, and he's been trying to help her as best as he can. I highly recommend Dr. Richard Harrison if you have any issues with your hands, especially these very, very delicate surgeries where arteries and tendons and nerves are involved. He knows his thing. He's a very, very professional, very kind, very down to earth, and he takes all his time to talk to the patient, never seems rushed, and I just highly recommend him. I trust him with my mother.